Hello everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our dash-mounted cup holder solution for the Polaris Slingshot. Anyone that owns a Slingshot, and I mean anyone, knows that the factory cup holder location in the Slingshot is in a less than desirable location. First off, you have to be somewhat of a contortionist to even find your drink while driving. And there's also a pretty good chance your drinks have taken a few elbows to the face while banging through the gears. Ow! Ow! The factory cup holders are also located right over the transmission tunnel, which is great for warm drinks, but not the best spot for that cold, refreshing drink that you'll be needing on those hot summer rides. So we've partnered up with our friends over at Slinglines to bring you our first ever dash-mounted cup holders. This cup holder base is constructed out of thermo-formed plastic and mounts in place using factory hardware locations. To install, simply lift up on these two triangle center dash pieces and remove the two push pins. Next, place the cup holder assembly over top and insert the two provided Christmas tree style push pins to secure it in place. Then push the two triangle dash pieces back down and you're good to go. Once installed, you'll see that the new cup holders look like a factory piece and even feature a built-in media console sun visor to help block any unwanted glare from the screen of your factory or aftermarket head unit. The included cup holders are wide enough to hold drinks of many different sizes, and the location is front and center where it should be, so you can sip on your favorite beverage while keeping your eyes on the road. This has got to be one of our favorite mods to date, as it just seems like something that should have always been there, and the installation is extremely straightforward. Now, if adding our dash-mounted cup holders with integrated sun visor is on your wish list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.